Yeah, okay, cool. Good evening, everyone. It's really great to see you guys, and welcome to Not a Podcast. I'm Janvi Janwal, currently pursuing Bachelor's in Computer Science and Engineering at Navratna University, also your host for the evening. Firstly, please RSVP yourself on the community portal. Fennel will send the link in the chat section. Okay, today we're going to talk about a really cool topic, community bonding and networking. We have Devansh Kajjar, an experienced designer, and Harsh Mehta, a Flutter developer, and they're invaluable contributors to so many communities. They're going to describe their journeys through various communities, covering the right ways to do the same, irrespective of being a developer or not. If anyone has a question, please comment it in the chat box. We will address them soon as we're done with the talk. So, passing the mic over to Devansh and Harsh.
Hello,
Hey,
Yeah,
hello.
yeah, you're.
So let's start with our introduction first of all. All right. So Harsh, please.
how Devansh? Devansh is sneaky. When Devansh and I were making the slides, and Devansh was adding our introductory slides, he added mine first, and later on I changed and I replaced him with his, and now again he's added mine. Okay, never mind. That was sneaky. Okay, never mind. Okay, so talking about myself, as Janvi introduced me, I am a Flutter developer, and I've been in the Mozilla community since I guess past 1.5 years. But my journey has been like it's been as if it's like I've spent. It's like a family to me. I feel like I've been here forever, and yeah, I'm a Mozilla representative. So yeah, I guess that's it.
Great. About me. Okay, so I'm an experienced designer and I joined Mozilla in late. Yes, Harsh was also a Mozilla of the month. I don't remember the month, I'm sorry. But
It was
yes.
July.
And I'm an experienced designer basically, but I started designing like I've been designing for 3 years now, and I got active with the Mozilla community in late 2018 or early 2019. I don't really remember, but as Hers said, it feels like forever because this community has given me like a lot of things one could ask for: great people, great opportunities, great time, everything. And let's just discuss and let's get started with the today's session now. Okay, so many people have asked that like what's community? Like, there are so many communities. There's Mozilla, there's GDG, there's MLH as a community also. There's GitHub's thing going on. There's Microsoft student partners. So people ask that people get confused कि किधर जाना है क्या अच्छा है, right? So Harsh, why don't you go ahead first?
Okay, fine. So, what exactly is a community? Well, to me, community is a place where people who are excited about one thing, or not exactly one thing. Like, let's just suppose that if we take GitHub's community, then we can say that GitHub's community would be focused a lot around GitHub and open source. So most of the people who would be in the community would be you know would be there because they believe in open source. So there is a belief around a community. I mean, it's not always necessary that there should be, but most of the times there is. So you could say that there is a belief around the community. So if you're in some community, let's suppose if I'm in GitHub's community, then there are people around me who also believe in open source. So that's kind of place where you can find people who people like yourselves, and the community has a lot of students, which I think you should take advantage of. We'll come to that later. So yeah,
Right.
community is kind of like focused around one thing, and there's a group who like talks about it. They can do anything. They talk about it. They you know have like events or whatever like.
Right. So exactly as Hurt said, it is like a community has one common vision. For example, Mozilla has a vision of healthier internet, and their events, their campaigns revolve around that, while concentrating on Mozilla's products because Mozilla's products also endorse that, right? And there are like if talking about GitHub, so GitHub is more involved towards GitHub and open source. And then there's other communities, right? So exactly as Hurt said that community has a common vision and there are added benefits, there are added good things like you get to meet friends and everything, which we are discussing in the next slide itself. Let's get on the next slide.
Sure.
All right. Why is it important? A community. Like what?
Devansh, why don't you go first? Yeah.
Okay, I'll go. For like let's say the first point, positive and productive environment. Now this is something which I could sense on the very first day I got active in a community. I'll tell you a story. I went into like my first interaction with a community was in Flutter Bootcamp, and in 2018, Harsh,
It was 19. Devansh.
19 in 2019. So like I saw people working, I saw people running around, I saw organizers running around, and अगर कोई काम भी नहीं कर रहा ना तो देयर इज ऑलवेज, अगर एक ऑर्गेनाइजर ऐसा है जो कुछ काम नहीं कर रहा है तो उनको कुछ काम पकड़ा देते हैं, अगर वैसा भी कुछ काम नहीं है तो दे कोई कोई ना कोई बोल देता है कि तू ये काम कर, ठीक है? तो देयर इज देयर इज प्रोडक्टिविटी एवरी टाइम, एंड जस्ट नॉट अबाउट दैट, एवरीवन इज पॉजिटिव अबाउट एवरीथिंग। फिर ऐसा भी नहीं है कि सिर्फ काम काम काम, साथ में मजे भी होते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल जब ब्रेक होता है तो व्हेन एवरीवन ईट्स एंड दैट इज द टाइम पीपल ट्राई टू हैव फन, एंड तब मजे भी करते हैं लोग। तो देयर इज अ गुड मिक्सचर ऑफ हैविंग फन एंड बीइंग प्रोडक्टिव, but it's more of being productive because you are having fun while you are being productive. That is also something which is very important, ताकि वो stressing point ना आ जाए। तो that is something which I loved because मेरे लिए मैंने पहले काम किया है ग्रुप्स के साथ, एंड इट यूज्ड टू बी स्ट्रेसिंग कि नो प्रेशर आ जाता है बिकॉज कोई एक जन काम नहीं कर रहा है, उसका काम इधर आ रहा है एंड एवरीथिंग। बट व्हेन आई जॉइंड दिस कम्युनिटी एवरीवन हैड लाइक काम डिवाइडेड था, नॉट ओनली दैट एवरीवन वाज हेल्पफुल। अगर कुछ काम नहीं हो रहा है तो दे हेल्प यू आउट, काम तो खुद ही करना है बट दे हेल्प यू आउट, दे हेल्प यू फिगर आउट हाउ वी कैन डू इट रिलेटेड टू एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग। अगर कोई काम किसी को बाहर जाना है तो पीपल कम अप ऑन देयर, लाइक सामने से लोग आते हैं एंड देन से कि हाँ चलो मैं चला जाता हूँ, everything. So this is what an environment you get when you join a good community. So that mentorship first.
Yeah. And I also wanted to focus on the positive part. Like, yeah, it is very productive. And the reason why I'm trying to emphasize on positive is because, first of all, and also another reason that Devansh and I are giving this talk together is because Devansh is a designer, and even though he's a designer and he doesn't like development stuff and all, but he still is in a community where people around him are designers. I mean, people around him are developers. I'm sorry. So, so yeah, people around him are developers. Still, he's blending in really well, and he's making the most out of the community. And okay, so that's why I also wanted to see what was Devansh's perspective on communities and how he perceives communities as.
Yeah. So when I joined the community, you have that intimidation if you're not someone who's like developing everything. So I told Harsh also that like भाई मैं तो डिजाइन करता हूँ, मैं काम तो करूंगा नहीं डेवलपमेंट का, नॉट बिकॉज मेरे से होता नहीं ऐसा कुछ, बट मेरे काम करने से ज्यादा मैं बिगाड़ूंगा ज्यादा, बिकॉज डेवलपमेंट में मेरा ऐसा होता है काम करने से ज्यादा मैं बिगाड़ता ज्यादा हूँ। तो आई वाज लाइक, तो ही वाज लाइक कि नहीं नहीं तू ट्राई तो कर, एंड देन आई वाज काइंड ऑफ एन एक्सट्रोवर्ट, तो ठीक है, सो आई यूज्ड टू टॉक विद अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल एंड आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट आस्क क्वेश्चंस टू एवरीवन, एंड थैंकफुली people around me, thankfully people like Harshil, Pranshu bhai, Harsh, Ayush, Pranit, Arpan, people like these, they are always curious to get questions, like I don't know how, why, because starting में मेरा भी ऐसा एक boiling point है कि बहुत क्या क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, but they are like they want questions, उनको चाहिए, पूछो भाई। तो आई वेंट मैड, मैं सब कुछ भी हो जाए कुछ भी क्वेश्चन पूछता, एंड दे वर लाइक हैप्पी टू आंसर दोस क्वेश्चंस। तो आई जस्ट वेंट अराउंड आस्किंग कि क्या आ रहा है कैसे हो रहा है, एंड देन लेटर ऑन ये तो हो गया, चलो ऐसा वाइब हो गया, बॉन्डिंग हो गया एक तरह का, बट यू नो इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट दैट. इफ यू आर इन अ कम्युनिटी यू हैव टू डू सम वर्क, यू हैव टू डू एनीथिंग. So I realized if I'm a designer, okay, I can try making posts for the social media. अगर कोई इवेंट आ रहा है तो मैं वो कर दूंगा, अगर कोई पोस्टर बनाना है वो मैं बना दूंगा, एंड वो मजा भी आता है मेरे को बनाने में. So that is how I try to contribute also. So I started with designing posts for the community. कोई भी इवेंट हो रहा है उसके लिए कर रहा हूँ डिजाइन. So there was this one time, like अभी recently, so हम लोग उधर थे MSU में, तो we had a booth एंड उसमें वो स्कैनर्स नहीं थे. तो दे वर लाइक अभी क्या करें, वी वर प्लानिंग ऑन अगर किसी को प्रोडक्ट यूज करना है या फिर ट्राई करना है तो QR कोड स्कैन करके दे कैन इंस्टॉल द थिंग, द प्रोडक्ट्स, मोजिला के प्रोडक्ट्स. तो ऐसा व्हाट आई डिड, लेट मी डू इट. तो लाइक वी ऐसा जल्दी जल्दी ऐसा डिजाइन कर दिया है. सो दैट इज हाउ आई वाज एबल टू कंट्रीब्यूट रियली वेल, बिकॉज सिंस आई एम अ डिजाइनर एवरीवन वाज बिजी विद सेटिंग अप द बूथ. कोई ये कर रहा है, कोई वो कर रहा है, कोई VR सेट कर रहा है, एंड आई वाज लाइक ठीक है चलो मैं सेट भी कर दूंगा, मैं ये सब डिजाइन कर लेता हूँ. So that is how I used to help. And people were, very inclusive. You never feel, even if you're kind of not even an outsider, if you do something else in the community, so you are not an outsider, you are inclusive of the community, and they make you feel like it.
Exactly. I mean, one thing about community is that almost every community is always welcoming, no matter who you are. It doesn't matter if you're new or if you don't know anything or if you're like, it really doesn't matter. It's always welcoming. And
Yeah.
that's why the positive part comes into place. And to be honest, like in my life up till I guess when I was up till like 20 maybe, before like I joined this community, um I have faced a lot of negativity in my life, and I exactly know what I know what kind of indirect harm some negative negative people around you or maybe negative vibes around you can affect you. And that's why I've mentioned this, because communities and people around communities are always positive. they never they never judge you. They always talk about good things. You know you'll never see them arguing with each other.
Hate
I'm
each
struggling, okay.
other.
But you'll never see them arguing with each other, or you'll always find friends there. I mean, they'll always be ready to help you, even if you don't know anything.
Right,
It
right.
Everything is positive around it. And it's
I
not
think
like
it's because I
if
think
you're
it's
not
because
able
they have
to
been there. I'm
sorry.
sorry. I think because they have
No,
been
they
there
are
and they understand,
continue.
you know.
Yeah,
So
and it's not just that. I mean, um the thing about community is that um it's kind of different. It's not exactly um the main one of the main points about community is that it's welcoming and it's respectful,
Mhm.
and everyone in community respects each other, at least. Like and speaking of Mozilla, I think that Mozilla has been one of the most respectful communities that I've been in.
Right.
And yeah, and they help you. I mean, it doesn't matter who you are or where you come from.
Yeah.
It really doesn't matter.
Harsh, I think you have a lot of things to say when it comes to mentorship. So go ahead. Even I
Oh
have a
yeah,
lot of things.
actually we both have yeah, one another thing that community provides is mentorship and guidance. And when you think like maybe I don't know how many of you have mentors in your life right now, but I think that having at least one mentor in your life is a must. It doesn't matter who that mentor is. You need a goddamn mentor, and I cannot emphasize this enough. Like I'll tell you about my story actually. When I joined the Mozilla community, I instantly thought. I mean, I instantly found a great mentor, and his name is Pranshu. I'm not sure if he's here or not. Um,
Let me check.
He's here actually.
he's here. Great, great. Well, so Pranshu, or Pranshu Bhai as we call him, uh, he has a great. When I met him personally at Navrachna, and we talked to each other, and I you know, he instantly blended in with me. He was a great person, and then we talked and stuff, and then Pranchu Khanna, I mean Pranchu Bhai had this vibe where you just open up to him. He was that kind of person that I would just freely open up to, and
Yeah.
I would talk to him. I didn't. I was in my. I think I was in my second year, in the ending of my second year in BCA, and I was really stressed. I did not know what to do because I had no goals in life. I literally did not. I knew I wanted to be a developer, but I couldn't stand out of everyone. I mean, I was the same
Right.
developer that everyone else was. I couldn't stand out, and for that, um, I talked to Pranchu Bhai, and he literally guided me. He told me what I could do. In fact, he even gave me some ideas. He gave me some, topics to, look into. He even gave me some tasks, and I think that for 1 month we are almost constantly talking every second, or every second day or every third day. And this was not any like 10-minute talk or whatever. It didn't, I mean, it varied from 10 minutes to like hours and hours. And
If you're talking to Pranshu Bhai, it never is in minutes. It has to be in hours.
yeah, I mean, it's just you open up to him. And
Yeah.
it's not just Pranchu Bhai. I mean, any mentor or any person you feel like you can open up to, just open up to that person, and they will they will guide you very well. And Pranchu kind of guided me, like he literally kind of got me my internship. I was not a great iOS developer, but Pranchu Bhai said that why don't you just search more and more into like iOS development and stuff. And he even looked, and he even tried to get me an internship. And yeah, I mean, I got a great internship. I got a great internship, and yeah, he has always mentored me. Pranchuba is like kind
Yeah.
of like a mentor in life, even though we've been in like, even though it's about communities, it's not like I don't talk about anything else to Pranchuba, because
Yeah.
he is like a mentor to me, and I open up to him very easily, and it has helped me immensely in life.
Right.
And
Right.
another person I want to talk about is Ayush actually, and Ayush has been a great guide to me, and I'll actually tell you an honest story. I hope that it doesn't get out, but so around October last year, we did, or around September last year, we did. Uh, we organized a hackathon in Parul, and by that time Ayush was a great friend of mine. Ayush and I were like, I considered him, yeah, Visathon, exactly. The Visathon was a great hackathon, and Ayush and I were really great friends. We made great friends at that time, and we hung out a lot as well. And we went for sponsorship in a company, and we talked about Visathon and stuff like that, and the company's owner asked for a LinkedIn profiles and stuff like that. Yeah, so that went on a month later. The company's owner messages me, and he tells me that there's this opportunity about an internship in the company for a
Yeah.
Flutter developer.
Mm.
Now the thing is that at that point in time, I was an iOS developer. I wasn't a Flutter developer. I mean, I knew Flutter, but I hardly knew Flutter. That it was
Right.
nothing basically, and I was not so sure about it. And I talked to Ayush. By the way, is like, I think he has kind of like taught me Flutter. So I mean, whenever I have any doubts or something about Flutter, he's like the go-to person. So
Mhm.
I, I talked to him. I told him that I'm getting offered an internship, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to do it or not. And Ayush tells me like, yo, don't worry. Like, even if you're not able to, even if you try, if you struggle anywhere, just message me and I'll help you out, no matter what it is. Even if it's like something really stupid, don't worry about it. Just tell me, let me know, and we'll figure it out together. And so yeah, that's it. I guess after that I took the internship, and the first few days I would constantly message Ayush, or constantly, like I would constantly message Ayush, and Ayush wouldn't
Right.
wait for a second to help me out and stuff like that. And
Right.
after that, after that, so the internship went great. In fact, even Ayush joined me later on, and we became even more, like if we were friends before, we're like brothers now. And after that, Ayush's internship ended, and I was still there at the company. And I think around May, I was applying for a job at a company. It was a big company, by the way. Like it was somewhere in Europe or something. Yeah, somewhere in Europe, and it was a big company, and it was like a big opportunity. And I
Right.
applied over there. First was like
Right.
we had like interview, like a couple of interviews and stuff, and then came the practical round. And
Mm.
it was in Flutter. It was in Flutter, and at that time, unfortunately, it was around May or something. And at that time, for some reason, um, like I was at my all-time. My life was at an all-time low. I felt really unproductive. I don't know if it was because of this pandemic or not. I don't know, but my life really felt unproductive. Like I really didn't want to do anything. I just wanted to sit and do nothing. I really couldn't think of anything at all. I really was at an all-time low in like in my past 4 or 5 years. And
Mm.
I had this opportunity, and I really thought that I couldn't do it. I mean, I kind of knew that I have no energy, I have no motivation. I'm not sure if I
Mhm.
can do it or not. And Ayush, and by the way, Ayush knew. I told Ayush that I'm applying for this job and I got this. We have this practical around and blah blah blah. So Ayush, before I think it was somewhere around on a Tuesday or something, and Ayush messages me on Saturday or Sunday, and he asks like, "Hey, how's the preparation for practicals going and stuff like that?" And I tell him like, "It's going terrible. I'm not sure if I'll be able to make it or not." I tell him that, and he says like, "Don't worry, you'll get it. Don't worry, you'll get it." And I tell him like, "I'm not exactly sure if I can do this or not," and blah
Mm.
blah 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 blah. But basically, like I was extremely at an all-time low at that time.
Right.
So Ayush then later tells me, "Look, let's actually get on a call at 10 p.m. at night, and
Right.
we'll practice together." And
Mhm.
I said, "All right." I mean, I didn't believe if I could do it or not, but I said, "All right, let's do it then." So
Mhm.
yeah, so Ayush later then at around 10 or something, Ayush said that yeah, let's go. And for I think for 3 or 4 straight hours we practiced, and Ayush practiced with me. It was not like Ayush told me to do this, do that, do that. No, he practiced with me. We did the entire practicals and stuff together.
Right.
And Ayush, it was nothing. I mean, Ayush didn't, there was nothing in it for Ayush, honestly.
Mm.
Ayush, why should Ayush help me out? I mean, why should
Right.
he? I mean, there's nothing in it for him. It's not like I'm paying him, or it's not like, you know, he's my relative or something. It's nothing like that. But he still
Yeah.
helped me out, and we were up till like maybe like 2 or 3 a.m. and we were like doing stuff and blah 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 whatnot. But
Mhm.
he literally helped me out.
Right.
And
Right.
I think at that point in time, I realized that community is really close. Community is something that's really close to my heart. It's people around my community are like um, are like brothers to me. And so yeah, I mean that's how important it is to me. So Ayush kind of like played a huge role in my life. I right now have a great job right now, and I could say that it's solely because of Ayush, because he taught me Flutter. He literally taught me Flutter. And even if something's up with me right now, I could just ask him like, "Oh, I'm not able to do this. I'm not able to do that," and he'll help me out. So that's why I feel like mentorship and guidance is something that you'll get, and it's not like it's just Ayush. I mean, people, um, I mean, in a community, almost everyone can guide you. Everyone. Doesn't matter what topic it is, or does not matter. I mean, almost everyone can guide you. So
Okay.
yeah, so that's why kind of community is important, because you find great mentors and great guidance, and I still cannot emphasize it enough. Like if I hadn't met him, probably I wouldn't have a good job right now.
Right. So I feel that when you get a mentor, it is not about you cannot find the route to where you want to be or where you want to go or anything. But when you get a mentor, they help you. They get to know that where we're stuck and where you need to go is what I feel, because
Yeah,
we
exactly.
have the same mentor who is which is Pranchu Bhai, and for me Pranchu Bhai has been like more of a career thing. He has been more into my he has been more of a life mentor to me, because we do talk about career and everything more like a lot, but for me it has been more about life and everything. So I understand that no, having a mentor basically what helps is like they empathize very easily, because since they have been there, they don't want anyone else to go there, and they just want to help you out. And more than just finding a mentor, try to get the person, try to get to know the person. पहले उनको देखो कि how is the person, because there are people who just they try to be a mentor, but and then it turns out really bad. So try to find a good mentor, people who understand you, and they will guide you through literally everything and anything you want. After that, we have career opportunities. Now I want to for me, I don't know, I don't in the tech community, people have tech connections, right? And that is how they get good career opportunities. Like एक friend को अगर एक job का वो आया, and if he is not doing that tech, तो कोई और को वो recommend कर देगा, and tech में ऐसे काम चलता रहता है. तो that is how career opportunities increase. But for me as a designer, तो मेरे लिए ज़्यादा improve इसलिए हो रहा था, because since I am in a tech community, तो आई मेरे को समझ में आ गया कि इट इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट द यूजर हु आई एम डिजाइनिंग. मेरे को दिमाग में भी रखना पड़ता है कि भाई डेवलपर भी है, तो मेरे को वो भी दिमाग में रखना पड़ता है कि डेवलपर से डेवलप भी हो जो मैं डिजाइन कर रहा हूँ. तो दैट इज व्हाट इट हेल्प मी, कि अगर मैं किसी को भेज रहा हूँ तो दे अंडरस्टैंड कि हाँ ये तो डेवलप भी हो सकता है. एंड अदर देन दैट पीपल आस्क यू कि भाई तो डिजाइनर है तो ये कर ले, बिकॉज देयर इज अ scarcity of designers. While there are a lot of designers in the community and outside the community as well, but minority है वो, ठीक है. So that is how career opportunities have helped, and through friends and people, if they trust you, they will give you the opportunity whatsoever. So, and before I joined the community, I was kind of a designer, but I was just doing my thing, एक दो चीजें कर दी. But when you start in the community, people make you grow. Like एक बार ये डिजाइन हो गया, and they the next time when you're designing, they'll ask नहीं इससे अच्छा करो, and then they push you for it, they push you badly for it. तो एंड अगर क्लोज ग्रुप है ना आपका, एंड अगर आप रिव्यू के लिए भेज रहे हो, जस्ट वेबसाइट भी हो गया, डिजाइन भी हो गया, कुछ भी हो गया, एंड अगर क्लोज ग्रुप है, खत्म है, ठीक है. एक एक डिजाइन भेजो एंड उसके मतलब अलग अलग पर्सपेक्टिव मिलने वाले हैं. एनी स्टोरीज ऑफ पुशिंग मी? Yeah, I have one. I have two actually. I'll tell you the one. So I have this client, and the kind of the project I was doing was very new for me, and what I was designing, what I was creating was fairly new for me. So what happened is I could not get a workflow for that. तो उसमें क्या हुआ कि मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा था, तो गलतियां बहुत हो रही थी, और गलतियां से ज्यादा क्लाइंट को भी नई नई चीजें करवानी थी, जो मेरे स्कोप में नहीं था, जो डिजाइन स्कोप में नहीं था. So there were 3 days where I was working kind of 16 to 18 hours a day. खाना भी उधर सब उधर, सब मम्मी देके जा रही है खाना and everything. So on the fourth day, the client also got fed up, and he was like, मैं तेरे को ये डेडलाइन दे रहा हूँ, अगर इतने तक नहीं हुआ तो sorry, we have to flag. And the amount was kind of generous. It was handful, and I just wanted to pay my bills. So I was kind of frustrated. तो मैंने प्रांशु भाई को बोला कि भाई मेरे से तो नहीं होगा. So it was about 1 in the morning, 1 a.m. and he calls me up, and रात को ऐसे 2-3 बजे मेरे से बात कर रहे हैं कि नहीं हो जाएगा. मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है, नहीं हो जाएगा, मैं बैठा हूँ. And he literally sat with me. We during this pandemic, about 2 months ago, he was doing, I don't know what he was doing, मेरे को नहीं पता है, but he just sat with me. He was in Surat, I was in Vadodara. हम दोनों ने साथ में चाय पिया है, ठीक है, 3 बजे. वो मेरे को फोटो चाय का फोटो भेज रहा है, मैं इनको इधर चाय का फोटो भेज रहा हूँ. So that is how, like that is how, like that is a mentor, right? Like right there. So वो चीज, like it pushed me, like he pushed me like through like literally everything of me. Like that was the point of time where I realized कि it is not about the motivation, it is about a discipline. Like motivation जैसा कुछ होता नहीं, it's a myth, but there's something called as discipline you need to have when you're working around people and you're working for people. So like that taught me a lot of things. Like that one incident taught me a lot of things about mentorship, about career, about working hard and everything. So that is one event of pushing me. And then another is जब Mozilla गुजरात का नया लोगो बन रहा था, ठीक है. This was the point जब मेरे को इतना हंसी आ रहा था. I designed about 24 logos for Mozilla Gujarat, and that was a great push. ठीक है. तो लाइक मैंने एक किया लोगो, नहीं हुआ, दो किया लोग, और ऐसे मतलब अगर क्लोज ग्रुप को आप अगर बेस्ट फ्रेंड को अगर आप भेज रहे हो ना कुछ अपना डिजाइन या फिर वेबसाइट, ऐसे वाहियात आपको रिव्यूज आएंगे ना. आई डिजाइन अ फॉक्स, ठीक है. एक फॉक्स का मैंने एब्स्ट्रैक्शन किया था. तो ऐसा बहुत लोग को थोड़ा समझ में आया कि फॉक्स है. एंड देन हर्ष वो ग्रुप में था, ठीक है. एंड देन हर्ष वाज लाइक ये इसने कुत्ता बनाया क्या. मैंने बोला भाई फायरफॉक्स प्लीज. दिस इज व्हाट यू गेट. ठीक है. तो लाइक दिस इज व्हाट हेल्प्स यू पुश कि हाँ ठीक है ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. मतलब अगर हर्ष जैसा कोई है, हर्ष जैसा किसी का पर्सपेक्टिव है, तो यू अंडरस्टैंड कि हाँ ये उसको भी समझ में नहीं आया, तो इट पुशेस यू. तो मैंने 24 लोगों को बनाए, वो तो एक्सेप्ट एक भी नहीं हुआ. प्रांशु भाई ने बनाया, सब है मस्त है मस्त. मैं बोला भाई मैं आधे दिन से 18-20 घंटे से मैं काम कर रहा हूँ. प्रांशु भाई ने एक लोगो बनाया, वो हो गया. So that is when I also realized that it's not just about the quality you provide, it's about not about the quantity you provide, but it's about the quality you provide. So that is what career opportunities are, it helps you push. And उसके बाद तो like almost when you are doing for extensive work for about 18 to 20 hours a day, and अगर दूसरा दिन अगर आपको कोई काम दे रहा है या फिर ऐसा कुछ है ना, तो लाइक यू विल गेट इट कि हाँ ये तो कुछ नहीं है, वो उस काम से तो कुछ नहीं है. इट हेल्प्स यू पुश इन दैट वे करियर वाइज. आफ्टर दैट फ्रेंड्स विल हेल्प यू आउट. सो जस्ट आई गेस जैसे हर्ष ने बोला दैट आई विल बिकम अ फ्रेंड, देन अ क्लोज फ्रेंड, देन अ बेस्ट फ्रेंड, देन अ ब्रदर, देन अ काइंड ऑफ अ मेंटर एंड अ टीचर. तो ऐसा
Yeah.
ही होता है. वी हेल्प
And yeah, and
ईच
it's
अदर.
not just, Ayush, like I know, if I mean, the reason Ayush has played an important role because he's like one of the best Flutter developers I've known, and I'm also a Flutter developer, so I kind of relate to him.
We call him
I think
Flutter.
exactly. So Devansh relates to Pranshuva because Pranshuva is also a designer. I mean, he also has, like, an eye for design.
Right.
And so it's not like, we Ayush was like, it's not like, Ayush was, I found Ayush in the beginning and I knew that he was going to be a mentor. No, i I kind of, if I was an, web developer or something, maybe I would have found someone else as a mentor. There are always people around to help you, trust me. Like,
Right.
if you open up, there are always people around to help you. And talking about career opportunities, I got my current job because, trust me, I mean, it was really funny. I mean, I'm not sure it was funny or not. I'm probably not, but I think that it's funny. I tweeted that I needed a job, and it's not like I'm not a celebrity or something on Twitter. I don't have that many followers, but I just tweeted that I need a job in Flutter. And believe me or not, people who who don't even know me, or who haven't even
Met.
seen me anywhere, were were trying to help me out. They were retweeting my tweet, they were commenting, and they were messaging me that, hey, if you need any help, if you need, I've got this project, if you're interested in this, do contact me, and stuff like that. People I didn't even know, people even my friends didn't know. So I think that the reach was around 20k or something, 20k people or something like that. I had around 20k impressions for that single tweet.
Nice.
So, and it was everyone from the community was tweeting it. Everyone from the, I mean, Flutter community was tweeting about it because, um you know The people who were like, okay, help this guy out, he's a great person. People I knew were commenting like, okay, he's a great person and stuff like that. So they don't, I mean, even if on my Twitter feed, if I see someone who's looking for a job or something, I instantly hit retweet without thinking, because I know if even if two people can see my retweet about that person, then maybe there is a chance that you know that person will get a job, or maybe they'll get
Right.
more opportunities. So that's what that's how career opportunities kind of came to me, because I kind of tweeted about it, and people from community all over the community, not just Mozilla, or not just Flutter, or not just Vadodara or Gujarat communities. People from like Mumbai and even people outside of India were helping me out.
Right. So like yeah, and देखो ये like this is like 80% हो गया 70% हो गया that why it is important, and the other 20-30 is you have a lot of fun. If you want to
Exactly.
join a community to have fun, you can do that also. We have had like immense amount of fun,
Yeah, I
right?
mean,
We have had jokes we laugh to till date. Like it's crazy fun.
yeah,
That like
we're like, yeah, we're like a group of friends, that you have in like college or school, something like that.
right, and then like it's just another friends ka group who's like kind of more productive, who's more career oriented, but like they do not miss out on having the fun part because,
Exactly, exactly.
for example,
That,
Flutter Bootcamp हो गया. So I was not in the process before the event. Like इवेंट के पहले वाले प्रोसेस में मैं नहीं था. मैंने बाद में लाइक आई वॉलंटियर ड्यूरिंग द इवेंट एंड मैं तभी ज्वाइन हुआ था. तो आई डिड नॉट रियलाइज कि क्या होता है. बट so once the event was over, people like the organizers, and I got close with the organizers because like Harsh was a really good friend of mine, so he introduced me to people: Harshil, Ayush, Pranchubhai, Arpan, Praneet, and they were like so happy because it went really smooth. The whole event was really smooth and they were happy. उसके बाद जो मजे किए इन लोग ने और हम लोग ने भी, it's crazy. Like सब ऐसे मजे ही कर रहे हैं because to
yeah,
organize such a successful event, एक महीने का technically एक महीने का event था, ठीक है. Every alternate like every weekend of 1 month, 4 week के लिए. It's something which is really crazy to bind together like for a month between
yeah,
6 like gap between 6 days. It's a great amount of deal. तो ये
yeah,
उन लोग ने वो भी like किया. So people do
yeah.
not miss out on fun also. Pranchu bhai has a question for both. When you started out in the community, did you know you were going to try to make a career in Flutter or design? Harsh, what about you?
Yeah, actually, no. Before, I kind of thought that iOS was my only way out. I thought that iOS was my only way out. It was great. I enjoyed iOS, but actually, fun thing that happened is that around Flutter Bootcamp, I first of all didn't know anything about Flutter and stuff. So around Flutter Bootcamp, um, I I looked at Flutter a bit and stuff like that. And while Flutter Bootcamp was ongoing,
Mm.
I thought that okay, so Mozilla has something like the reps program. So reps is basically representatives from Mozilla, and you
Mm.
can see this on a website. And the website is, I mean, they've changed it now, but the old website was kind of like slow and boring to use and stuff like that. So I thought that why not make an app from this. So I talked to Pranchubhai about this. Pranchubhai said that yeah, this is a great idea.
Mm.
And then Ayush also comes into conversation, and Ayush says that why don't we make it in Flutter? And I said that sure, why not? But I'm not really I don't know anything about Flutter. I am not really sure if I can do this or not. So I said that yeah, don't worry. It's really easy, and he kind of he kind of pushed me into making a Flutter app. So that's how I kind of learned. I started learning Flutter.
Right,
I didn't kind of like do it by myself or something, but that's how I got into Flutter.
right,
And after that, I started learning a bit by myself. And after
right,
that, it was just internship. And I mean, I just went there.
After that, I'll tell you. After that, you became a Flutter game developer.
Oh,
Okay, so
yeah,
guys,
I mean,
stay tuned for Harsh's game. Like we have seen the snippets, like we not even snippets, we have seen sneak peeks, and things, sounds and seems amazing. Sound is very important because Harsh has also gone into the music industry. He's trying to make music
not
with
an
code.
industry.
Just by the way,
It's
yeah.
not an industry. It's
So
just I don't even know
about
what to call it. It's just
about me, when it comes to design, I somewhere knew that I wanted to design, but I was just like मैं फैला हुआ था हर जगह. ठीक है, तो मैं डेवलपमेंट भी ट्राई कर रहा था, लाइक फ्रंट एंड हो गया, बट मेरे से नहीं हो रहा था. तो आई समवेयर न्यू कि हाँ मेरे को डिजाइन तो करना है, बट आई वाज अ रियली बैड डिजाइनर इन द सेंस कि कोई भी कुछ भी नई फिर स्टार्ट करता है तो दे आर प्रीटी बैड एट इट इनहेरेंटली. So like I was pretty bad and I did not know what design essentially is, like core में design क्या होता है. तो uh, may it be mentors, may it be internet, may it be people around you, may it be your experiences, but it is something kind of a process. May it be Flutter, may it be development, may it be design. So since we got to know that, like when you have people around you who, guide you, they also help you to find a goal. Like they do not like tell you that ये तेरा goal है, but they help you in a way कि they make you understand कि what you are good at, what you are bad at, and that is how you kind of make decisions
yeah,
for yourself. So
yeah.
मेरा ऐसा था कि आई स्टार्टेड विद ग्राफिक डिजाइन, उसके बाद मैं थोड़ा यूआई यूएक्स में घुसा, एंड देन उसके बाद आई रियलाइज कि इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट यूआई यूएक्स और इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट ग्राफिक. आई डोंट know how to design on a software, like मेरे को इतना अच्छा नहीं आता है, but I kind of knew that I have an eye for design since I have been working in this field for 2 to 3 years now. So I was like yes, हो सकता है ये मेरे से. So that is what, and for if you want to know that, अगर like आपको भी खुद को जानना हो कि कि क्या is this career good for me or bad for me, when you are like kind of practicing it, just like I do this to my, like I have done this, ask yourself ki, can you do this for 12 hours a day for 20 years of your life? So
Yeah,
this is something I asked myself when I was like finally leaving development and continuing with design, and the answer for me was without a flinch, yes. जो फ्लैग वाला सीन था 18 घंटे वाला वो अलग है, बट you should ask this question because 20 साल 30 साल एक ही चीज करना, it is something of a
yeah,
big deal. अभी लग रहा है because अभी तो फ्रेंड्स हैं, थोड़ा कम करके चिल हो जाता है, बट आफ्टर दैट यू रियलाइज कि लास्ट में थोड़ा सीरियस हो जाना पड़ता है. ऐसा.
exactly. Because the professional world is like एकदम ही सब serious होता है and
अरे
सब लोग को काम के बारे में पड़ी होती है and stuff like.
मैं नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पे जाऊंगी.
Yeah, sure. So yeah, that's how we know like friends helped us out technically. Okay.
ठीक है, टेक एडवांटेज एज अ स्टूडेंट, लाइक आई हैव समथिंग टू से यार. अभी सीन ये है कि हर्ष एंड आई वांटेड टू ओपन काइंड ऑफ अ कम्युनिटी इन द कॉलेज इटसेल्फ. ठीक है, तो लाइक नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ द एडमिन, नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ द फैकल्टीज, हमसे कुछ चीजें सही नहीं हो रही थी तो उसकी वजह से कम्युनिटी नहीं खुल रही है. ठीक है, then we since we got to know about the Mozilla community and we joined, and then great things happened, but it was in like second year, like almost end of second year tab. So it was that, and we were still students, and so when you're a student it's the best time. Like if you are like अगर आपको कॉलेज में टॉप नहीं करना है and ऐसा कुछ है, हो जाएगा कॉलेज, तब यू कैन फोकस ऑन दिस कम्युनिटी, फोकस ऑन नेटवर्किंग विद पीपल रियली वेल, बिकॉज अगर स्टूडेंट हो, बिकॉज आफ्टर लाइक वंस यू फिनिश योर डिग्रीज यू हैव टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन करियर, हो गया जॉब, हो गया इंटर्नशिप, हो गया मास्टर्स, हो गया वो सब. इट इज समथिंग विच इज मेजर वाइल कम्युनिटी नेटवर्किंग विद पीपल, और वो सब कॉलेज टाइम पे इजीली हो जाता है बिकॉज इतना ज्यादा प्रेशर नहीं होता. तो टेक योर एडवांटेज एज अ स्टूडेंट. अगर स्टूडेंट हो तो लाइक टॉक विद पीपल, ऐसे कम्युनिटीज में जाओ, आस्क क्वेश्चंस. लाइक बेस्ट थिंग you can do to yourself to learn, to gain knowledge is ask question. May it be internet, may it be YouTube, may it be people. ठीक है, just ask literally anything and लोग आंसर दे देंगे.
Yeah.
तो just ask a lot of questions.
Yeah.
Perfect.
And another thing is like taking advantage as a student, because I know that most of you all are students over here, and the thing is that community has a, a lot of students, a lot of students. Community has professionals as well, and yet they have students as well. And you know, community as such has a lot of students, and you as students can relate to each other. Even if you don't know, even if I don't know someone, in the community, but if that person is a student, I can relate to them. I can, we can talk about, student lives, we can talk about college lives, we can talk about how crappy our college is, we can talk about how good our college is, we can talk about our courses, we can talk about when you are student, when you're a student, like there are so many things that you can talk about to each other. It
Yeah.
doesn't, yeah, exactly. So take your advantage as a student, make friends with other students in the community, make friends. In fact, I'll tell you, um like when I got introduced to the community, I mean, I met like Herschel and Pranshubai and even Ayush, and like apart from, I guess, Herschel, I mean, apart from Pranshubai and Pratik, everyone was, studying, like were in like bachelor's somewhere, someplace. Exactly. So we all kind of related to each other. We blended with each other because we were in the same age group, and we were like up, and we were in the same community, and we wanted to have fun. I mean, students have fun all the time, so we had fun. So that's how, you know I kind of networked. That's how I guess, I kind of networked with people because I related to them as students, and we talk about our colleges and stuff like that. So that's how your first step could be as how do I network with people, how do I talk, I mean, what can I do? Well, find students around you and talk to them. Just, I don't know, like there is always some topic that will be common.
Right. Exactly. And other thing like getting out of comfort zone first.
Okay, so I think that this is also a very important point over here, and I think that Devansh might have a different perspective to this. So Devansh kind of, um, you know, Devansh is natural at talking to people, and Devansh, you could say that I don't know, but you could say that Devansh is an extrovert. But when it comes to me, I have been an introvert like since forever, and I really, you know, have like I really struggle with whenever I'm talking to someone else. And for me, networking and talking to people is probably the scariest thing in my life. I'm more scared of talking to people than I'm scared of death. Trust me. so so yeah, I mean, you need to like get out of the comfort zone. You need to push yourself to talk to people. You can't just expect everyone to talk to you. You can't just expect everyone to come to you. When you're new in the community, you need to step up your damn game. Go ahead and just you know do whatever you want. Don't think about what others will think of you. Don't do
Yeah.
that. And in fact, another great example is, I guess, Fennel. And so we had this Visathon I told you about, and Visathon was somewhere around a year ago. And you know, and Fennel was in first year of BCA. I mean, I hardly knew Fennel, and they want somewhat knew Fennel. I didn't know Fennel at all. So Visathon came around. We shared the registration links and stuff like that, website and stuff like that in the groups. And Fennel kind of like talked to Devansh that, yeah, I'm interested in this. How do I apply? So Fennel like kind of like applied and stuff like that. And the thing is that Fennel was it was a 24-hour hackathon, which means that you'll be spending an entire maybe 2 days, kind of like 2 days, from Saturday morning to Sunday evening or something like that. So
Right.
we'll be spending almost 1.5 day with people, with like 50 to 100 people around you.
Right. And
Uh,
of the same field in a way.
exactly. So Fennel is kind of a great example of getting out of the comfort zone. Fennel was alone. He didn't have a team, by the way. He didn't have a team. He didn't know what he was going to do, and he did not know like what he was going to do. He just knew that he wanted to go in a hackathon, and he did it. He applied, and he went, and he is somehow like got into a team. I'm not exactly sure. Yeah. Oh, okay. So Fennel said that he made
Made
the
his name
team.
while in the bus.
Yeah, and he was in the bus, and I guess he talked to like people sitting around him, and then he made a team. So, so Fennel kind of got out of his comfort zone. Fennel
Yeah.
got out, and he knew that he was alone, but he still did it. It didn't matter. He just went. Like there's always this story about how birds fly for the first time, and they say that their parents push them out of the cliff, and then they start flying on their own. So it's kind of like fear could be kind of like holding you back when you're trying to
Right.
network with community.
Right. It's
So
more than that. I feel that when Sunil went out of his comfort zone, he was able to bring opportunities for people. So once he came into this opportunity, once he came into this community, he started interacting with people. And Fenil is someone like I can resonate with Fenil because Fenil asks a lot of questions, which I love because I ask a lot of questions. And Fenil is someone who likes to ask questions and he likes to know things, and it can be anything. कोई story हो गया, जैसे जिंदगी की story बता दो Fenil को, मेन को मजा आ जाएगा. तो ऐसा है.
right, exactly.
So like Fenil likes to just listen to people and everything. So लाइक हो गया, लाइक विजिटॉन कर लिया, एक दो इवेंट भी हो गए उसमें, वो आ भी गया, अटेंड भी कर लिया, ऑर्गेनाइज भी कर लिया. एंड देन आफ्टर अ पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम हर्षल केम अप विद कि मोजिला में कैंपस क्लब का सीन शुरू करते हैं फिर से. तो फेनिल वाज द वन कि हाँ मैं भी करूंगा. एंड व्हेन फेनिल opened this community in college, it was Fenil, Harsh, मैं, and then Vinith. Now Vinith is a designer again. तो हम चार लोग थे एंड हमने बोला था फेनिल हम लोग कोई हेल्प नहीं करेंगे, हम सिर्फ तेरे को अगर तेरे को डॉक्यूमेंटेशन में चाहिए तो वी विल टेल यू कि कैसे करना है क्या करना है, बट एवरीथिंग यू विल डू. तो फेनिल ने वो सब खुद से किया. सिंस फेनिल वाज लाइक फेनिल पूछता रहता है कि क्या करूँ क्या करूँ क्या करूँ, बट वो उसने किया सब. एंड कट टू about 2 days ago, we reached 104 members on the Discord channel of More Than Anyway. Now, not like it is just not a number, but just because Fenil was able to move out of his comfort zone, he was able to bring opportunities to 100 more people. Okay. So you
Exactly.
never know how many people you are connected with without even knowing. If you just step out of your zone and if you want to share things, you have created a future for 100 more people, right? So that is
Exactly.
what it means,
Exactly.
right? So that is something which I have realized recently, like when Fainil was like we crossed 100 people, and I was like, and then it struck that, dude, you have been able to bring good a kind of a good future for this 100 people. So, and we Harsh and I watch people playing games and maybe organizing a hackathon like in 10, I don't know. I see there's चैनल पे अगर अलग अलग जैसे कैटेगरीज बन गई है, एंड देन मैं हर्ष को पूछ रहा हूँ कि ये क्या हो रहा है डिस्कॉर्ड पे. He
People
was
are
like,
just hanging out and just talking to each other. So that's how like
like this is a
friendly.
perfect example of a fully functional like ecosystem जैसी community खुद से ही चल रही है. Now it is like अगर हम मैनेज भी नहीं कर रहे, मैं और हर्ष प्रेजेंट नहीं है, फिर फेनिल भी प्रेजेंट नहीं है, तो पीपल नो कि उनका लाइक दे नो द कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट. उनको पता है कि लिमिट क्रॉस नहीं करना, एंड दे हैंग आउट फ्रीली, दे टॉक एंड दे कॉल पीपल कि भाई तू आ जाएगा खेलते हैं.
Yeah,
It is
exactly.
like fun, like looking at this, it's like kind of a beautiful thing to watch.
Yeah. वो लोग लाइक मैं कभी कभी देखता हूँ वो लोग रात के 1-2 बजे तो अमंग अस खेलते हैं एंड वॉट एवर लाइक कुछ ना कुछ
I,
खेलते रहते
I
हैं.
personally have hanged out with these people for about
Exactly.
मॉर्निंग. लाइक उन लोग में इतना मस्त एनर्जी है, लाइक दे हैंग आउट एट 4 in the morning and they listen to you, nothing else, they listen to you.
Exactly. So yeah, exactly. So get out of your comfort zone. I mean, I know that it's hard. I know that it's really difficult. I mean, for those introverts out there, but I mean, you need to do it. Don't think about it. Just like go.
Right,
Don't
right.
think about it.
Yes, and more about like being introvert. So what I feel that they have a question of being judged or
Yeah.
something. I don't know.
Yes.
जस्ट अगर लाइक आस्क खुद को पूछो ना कि अगर कुछ सवाल कैसा है, ठीक है, अगर सवाल कोई ऐसा गलत नहीं, इट इज नॉट इनअप्रोप्रिएट, तो क्या ही करेगा सामने वाला, अगर टाइम नहीं होगा तो लेट रिप्लाई करेगा और कुछ नहीं, नथिंग मोर देन दैट, ठीक है।
Yeah.
तो जस्ट हिट देम अप कि भाई बोलो हाउ कैन आई जॉइन दिस कम्युनिटी, हाउ डिड यू स्टार्ट विथ योर करियर, हाउ डिड यू स्टार्ट विथ Flutter, जस्ट आस्क,
Exactly.
हो सकता है, देन यू
And
हैव मेक इट पॉजिटिव एंड राइट पीपल।
yeah, and one more thing. By the way, just Fennel जो team में था in Visathon, that was around I guess in September. And fun fact that not fun fact, I don't know if it's fun or is it a fact or not, but after 6 months or so in December, Fennel went I mean, by the way, Fennel made friends with them, and after 6 months Fennel also went to a hackathon in Pune with them. So they spent like three or some days in Pune in a hackathon. So that's how Fennel also made friends. I mean, he did not know what his team was. He did not know who were in this team. They just made friends and they just went together.
Right.
So that's how, yeah, exactly. Yeah, they hung out as well.
Yeah.
They went sightseeing apparently. Nice.
So like making friends with positive and right people, like this is something which I cannot stress enough on. And for example, like the people thankfully I have met, and I don't know what are the odds, what the universe had to do with this, or for me getting us getting right people in their life. And we thankfully have gotten amazing people, like people like they're selfless in a way. Okay. Like इट इज लाइक दे डू नॉट रियली, उनका कोई मोटिव नहीं है, उनका कोई ऐसा कुछ फायदा नहीं है, ठीक है, उनका एसेंशियली कोई फायदा नहीं होता है कि
Yeah.
अगर मैं इसको हेल्प करूंगा तो मेरे को आगे जाके ये ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है। हम क्या ही लाएंगे उनके लिए, मेंटर के लिए, तो वही है। एंड आई डोंट नो हाउ दे कैन डू इट। सो once I realize and once people start asking me questions, I realize कि हाँ, it is something like growing together is something which is completely different and beautiful. Yeah.
Exactly. And as I said about positivity earlier, like you'll totally find out people around you are positive and they are helpful or not. And
Right.
and it's a community, and most of the communities are very very open. And it's not like कि तुम लोग को जो लोग मिलेंगे वो हमेशा मतलब ऐसे सब लोग ऐसे मेंटर के लायक होंगे या फिर सब लोग एकदम पॉजिटिव होंगे. It's not necessary. There are all there are people, there are people who might not be that positive, or who might not or whom don't feel that comfortable with. So find people and make friends with people who you're most comfortable and you feel like you relate to them the most, and make friends with positive people, make friends with productive people. And I think that Devansh would kind of relate to me, but I mean, not Devansh would kind of give myself as an example, because Devansh kind of hung out with me.
Yeah.
And yeah, and Devansh, I mean, I've heard Devansh tell me this multiple times that um, the reason, kind of the one of the reasons why Devansh hung out with me, because he found me as I could be someone who might lead him somewhere.
Right. So उसमें हुआ क्या था कि like in my class, and like I don't know if I would not like to name people, but it is like rightful to say in my class people were not career oriented, right? Not just even career oriented, they did not even have the ability to think for themselves. So like they were always into peer pressure. They were always into अगर ये कर रहा है तो मैं ये करूँ. And after that, I like it was like second day of college. I saw her, like he was doing his thing, and I don't know, like when you watch and see people who are at least sensible, who just know that who they have logic, they have common sense in their mind, you get to know कि हाँ इसमें थोड़ा होगा, दिमाग तो होगा. I was like, yeah. And Harsh, I knew that Harsh was an introvert. So I was an extrovert by that time. So I just मैं हर्ष के पीछे घूम रहा हूँ बस. Like I am with हर्ष. हर्ष जिधर भी आ रहा है मैं जा रहा हूँ. दिन में 2 बार तो मैं कॉल कर रहा हूँ. And he never picked up the call. He never did that. I just have to texting के भाई कॉल उठा ले, सही में काम है मेरे को. And then he was like हाँ कॉल कर. When I was someone who मैं ऐसे ही मस्ती में भी कॉल करता हूँ. So I did that. मैं ऐसा ऐसा हर्ष के पीछे लगा पड़ा. एंड देन आई वाज आल्सो समवन हु लाइक टू हैव फन इन देयर लाइफ एंड ऐसा सब. तो मैं मजे भी कर रहा था. लाइक मेरे ऐसा फ्रेंड का ग्रुप था जो ऐसा हम लोग मस्ती भी कर रहे हैं वो सब. तो फिर भी मैं हर्ष के साथ, हर्ष जो भी कर रहा है वो मैं कर रहा हूँ. तो ऐसा सब सीन था. एंड लाइक दैट वाज लाइक काइंड ऑफ द बेस्ट डिसीजन आई मेड इन कॉलेज की अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि हर्ष हैज सम सेंसिबिलिटी एंड ऐसा. तो आई जस्ट आई स्टक विद हिम. एंड देन ही वाज लाइक उसने 3-4 मेरे को इवेंट पहले भेजे थे जो मुजिला में वो और लाइक जाके आया था. ही वाज बीन पार्ट ऑफ. एंड ही वाज लाइक देवांश देखे ना देखे मैं भेज रहा हूँ उसको. तो भेज रहा है लाइक लिंक भेज रहा है मेरे को कि आ जा. ऐसा फोर्स नहीं कर रहा है बट भेज रहा है लिंक. लाइक ही डिड नॉट वांट टू लाइक मिस आउट कि अगर मैं देवांश को नहीं बताऊंगा तो शायद वो एक में आ जाए. ऐसा सब हो गया. एंड देन कट टू फ्लटर का बूट कैंप. एंड ऐसा हर्ष ने बोला कि प्रांशु भाई आ रहे हैं. आई हैड मेट प्रांशु भाई पहले and I wanted to talk to Pranju bhai because like I was having some doubts and since he had been into design तो मेरे को बहुत सारे doubts थे उनके पास. तो हर्ष इज लाइक प्रांशु भाई आ रहे हैं. मैंने बोला कब आ रहे हैं. तो ही वाज लाइक फ्लटर बूट कैंप के लास्ट वीक में आ रहे हैं. तो मैंने बोला मेरे को फ्लटर सीखना है नहीं. तो सब मेरे को डेवलपमेंट आता है नहीं और मैं करूंगा क्या. तो वाज लाइक देख तेरी मर्जी है. मैंने बोला ठीक है कर ले. एंड एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम waking up at a weekend at 7 in the morning was like a struggle for me. मैंने बोला देख प्रांशु भाई ये करेंगे अब. तो मैंने बोला हर्ष तू कुछ भी कर. लाइक इट वाज इवेंट के पहले का दिन. मैंने बोला हर्ष भाई तू कुछ भी कर मेरे को आना है. बात खत्म. तब ठीक है मैं बात करता हूँ कि टॉक की देखो भाई मेरा कैसा दोस्त हुआ. मेरे को नहीं पता क्या बात किया. एंड देन फिर तो मतलब मैं पता नहीं 4 में क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं. हर्ष बोल रहा है तू पार्टिसिपेंट है और मैं वॉलंटियर साइड में जाके बैठ जा रहा हूँ. हर्ष बोल रहा है तू पार्टिसिपेंट है मैं वॉलंटियर साइड में जाके बैठ जा रहा हूँ. मेरे को आता ही नहीं था मैं क्या करूँ. तो मैं लाइक आई वाज ट्राइंग टू वॉलंटियर एंड एवरीथिंग. लास्ट वीक में प्रांशु भैया आए तब मैंने बात किया. लाइक दैट इज व्हाट इट हेल्प्स. अगर सही लाइक जीवन में अच्छे दोस्त मिल जाए, सही दोस्त, अच्छे भी नहीं सही दोस्त मिल जाए ना, इट इज द बेस्ट. एंड बी ओपन एंड हेल्पफुल.
Yeah,
I cannot stress this enough.
Devansh, please
Um,
continue.
it is like I am someone who loves to talk. तो मेरा तो being open is something which is inherent. ठीक है. But for Harsh it is very difficult since he's an introvert. Like तो उसके लिए थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है. And about being helpful, मैं starting में like I like to be helpful but now I realize कि how मजा भी आता है. Like when you are helpful मजा भी आता है because the things you get in return like people say thank you. बहुत सारी बार थैंक यू बोलते हैं because they don't want to ऐसा बहुत हेल्प किया एंड एवरीथिंग. तो भी मजा आता है वो सुनने में भी मजा आता है. So that is what you also get. Other than that अगर लाइक इट इज लाइक अगर मेरे को हर्ष हो गया, प्रांशु भाई हो गए, हर्षित हो गया, शाइना हो गई, आयुष हो गया, प्रणीत हो गया, अर्पण, शाबाश भाई, लाइक बहुत सारे ज्यादा. ठीक है. तो इफ दे हैव हेल्प्ड मी हु एम आई टू कीप इट टू माई सेल्फ. वो मेरी नॉलेज नहीं है, वो मेरा इंटेलेक्ट नहीं है इन अ वे, वो उन लोग का है. एंड देन इफ आई एम नॉट शेयरिंग इट टू अदर पीपल इट्स वेरी अनएथिकल ऑफ मी इन अ वे. एंड that is something which I have in myself कि अगर उनका है उनका दिया हुआ है तो like I'm not someone who should keep it. I should also spread it and I should give it to people.
Yeah,
So like
yeah,
if you are getting something good then just you should like करना नहीं करना वो आप पे. But I find it very ethical to give, and if you're not spreading then for me it is not moral and it's unethical for me. And exactly when Pranshu bhai says like हर्ष बीइंग लाइक मैंने हर्ष को पीक इंट्रोवर्ट लेवल पे देखा है. वॉचिंग हिम लाइक लिटरली विजिथॉन में मैं पार्टिसिपेंट मैं हैकर था. मिनी इवेंट चल रहा है रात को 1 बजे, सबको नींद आ रहा है, हर्ष लाइक ताली बजाता. I saw Harsh doing things I could never imagine in my life. It was someone who was like quiet all the time and like अगर तुम दो अकेले बैठे हो ना, you are a close friend of him and you say let's act together, वो नहीं बोलेगा. लाइक यू हैव टू पुश हिम कि हाँ भाई तू कुछ तो बोल. अच्छा ये बता मैं, अच्छा ये बता मैं. एंड हर्ष सामने से ऐसा रूम में एंटर हुआ एंड एवरीवन तो ताली बजना और डूड हाउ इज इट डूइंग दिस. एंड देन आफ्टर दैट सिली हैक्स. अभी लाइक लिटरली अ वीक, नॉट इवन अ वीक अगो, 2 days ago there was this mini event they were organizing and Harsh was presenting. First Harsh was presenting in front of 10 people. That is like how And then he was presenting in a way I could never imagine in my life. Like imagine the silent person in your, the most silent person in your life. Okay, the most silent person in your life, and then him speaking like an excited person. Yeah, it is something you like. First of all, देखो अगर बहुत क्लोज हो तो क्रिंज होना है. दूसरा,
हाँ.
it is like I was so happy कि चलो हर्ष finally कुछ कर रहा है. Like when it comes to conversation, you're trying to open up with people. तो
Yeah.
हर्ष का तो भाई वैसे तो ग्रोथ कुछ ज्यादा ही हुआ है. और
सबका हुआ ऐसा तो देखने जाए तो even like other people in the community काफी मतलब when we joined and now when we look at them they're like on completely another level like
you are a mentor to Braj, so you know.
yeah exactly so and again like um by being open and helpful one thing more that happens is that when you help and when you try to help people around you and you try to be open to people around you, when you talk to them more they kind of also you know get close to you so um let's suppose that if someone has any doubt and someone asks me like someone asks me like कि मुझे ये डाउट है फ्लटर के बारे में मुझे ये डाउट है एंड आई ट्राई टू बी हेल्पफुल आई डोंट बी लाइक ओके गूगल कर लेना आई मीन इवन दो आई नो दैट मे बी it's not that big of an doubt or maybe it's not something that could have not been googled
Yeah.
or something I don't say like गूगल कर ले जाओ गूगल कर लो मतलब क्यों इतना वो मुझे क्यों इतना तंग कर रहे हो ऐसा कुछ नहीं मतलब I always when you help people around you they it's something like um they help you back I mean it's like
Yeah.
when you make friends they also become your friends and they help you blah 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 I mean I don't know how to put this I mean it's something like
Right. So like if I were to give you an example, like for Finial. So like Finial and I started kind of like as a tech talk हो रहा था, community वाला scene हो रहा था, as Finial used to ask me questions about community and everything. He was kind of open, but we used to talk essentially about communities like related to career basically. And then we kind of connected really well. We became close, and then after that, Finial was like, भैया ये हो रहा है. भैया तो नहीं बोलता था, वो देवांशी बोलता है. तो देवांश ये हो रहा है, देवांश ये हो रहा है, देवांश ये हो रहा है. एंड आफ्टर दैट ही टॉक्स अबाउट काइंड ऑफ लाइफ कि मेरा ऐसा कॉलेज में ऐसा सब मजा नहीं आ रहा है कॉलेज में कभी कभी असाइनमेंट का लोड आ जाता है लाइक ये सब. एंड देन एक दो बार तो ऐसा भी हो जाता है कि कि मेरे को खुद को नहीं पता है कि एडवाइस क्या देना है. तो मैं उसको बोलता हूँ कि एक काम कर तू थोड़ा सोच, मैं तेरे को कॉल करता हूँ, फिर शाम को कॉल करता हूँ. तो शाम को एक्चुअली मैं क्या करता है वो कॉल खत्म होता है उसके बाद मैं प्रांशु भाई को कॉल करता हूँ. प्रांशु भाई ये डाउट है बोला ना मेरे को. मैं प्रांशु भाई के साथ डिस्कस करता हूँ. एंड देन व्हाट ही टेल्स मी, तो फिर मैं खुद ऐसा सीख लेता हूँ वो सब. एंड देन आई गिव इट टू फेल. हाँ देख भाई मैंने ऐसा ऐसा है. एंड फिर लाइक क्या क्या मस्त बोला. मैं प्रांशु भाई का क्रेडिट नहीं देता हूँ वो टाइम. वेरी गुड सर. प्रांशु फिर इज लाइक थैंक यू बोला वेरी गुड. That is something. वैसे you connect like it is a process. So you connect like आराम से. You became very close. You become very close.
exactly so I mean so whenever Fenil I mean let's say that Devansh has helped Fenil out right and whenever Devansh needs any help from Fenil I mean Fenil is we would expect Fenil to be like ready and helpful all the time so it's kind of like give and take if you are helpful to other people other people will also be helpful to you as
Yeah.
Pranshu bhai said that you'll grow together you learn together and you'll grow together
Right.
so that's what we mean by like being open and helpful
देख अभी इसके बाद ना लास्ट स्लाइड है, कुछ बोलना है क्या तेरे को?
नहीं नहीं भाई नहीं नहीं बोलना है
उसमें 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 like उसमें there is nothing philosophical. It is just this.
oh So,
I
yeah.
have tried my best to incorporate anything and everything, but नहीं होता. Obviously नहीं होता. ठीक है.
हाँ.
हर तेरे को क्या बोलना है?
Yeah, I
इसमें
mean,
like
you
story.
don't. I mean, in these pictures, I don't see people being in a community or people being very professional and talking about very professional. As you can see, like वो बीच वाला जो है उधर क्या बोलते हैं देवांश और वो सब हम लोग जा रहे. This was I think at the time we went to Ahmedabad for
Derek's.
privacy policy meetup. Yeah,
अपन
exactly.
वो मॉल में जा रहे थे हम अल्फा वन
हाँ
में
हम
जा
लोग मॉल में डिनर हम लोग मॉल में लंच करने जा रहे हैं साथ में एंड we went together as friends only.
राइट
So it's kind of like a part of the community where we make friends, and this was not taken because we ऐसा हम लोग ये फोटो हम लोग सोच के नहीं खींच रहे थे कि हाँ ये हम लोग कम्युनिटी में डालेंगे, हम लोग हमारे दोस्त है, हम लोग दोस्त के साथ शेयर करेंगे, that's it. So and like I guess left side में यश is also there who was my senior, and ये हम लोग कैफे में बैठ के यश कैफे में बैठ के वो टॉक दे रहा है, वो
React.
रिएक्ट समझा रहा है. हाँ एग्जैक्टली. वो वो लैपटॉप लेके आया, वो लैपटॉप में सब थोड़ा बहुत कोड दिखा रहा है, वो लैपटॉप सब में पास कर रहे हैं ऐसे एक दूसरे को देखने के लिए. एंड इधर भी सब लोग लाइक चिल मार रहे हैं. वी हैड सम स्नैक्स एज वेल. एंड ऑन टॉप एकदम टॉप पे इट वाज आई थिंक फ्लटर बूट कैंप था या हैक्टोबरफेस्ट का, आई डोंट रिमेंबर, बट वी आर लाइक हाँ मतलब हम लोग सब साथ में बैठ के लंच कर रहे हैं एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. And at the bottom right, that's Flutter Bootcamp. That's where Devansh met everyone else in the community.
Right.
And that's where I kind of met Ayush as well. I mean, I knew Ayush, but I had, I became really good friends with him.
Yeah. And
So
now,
these
I
are
mean,
like,
I realized ki, like Ahmedabad trip with the community was the first trip I was going to go with the community, and I did not expect literally anything. तो एंड देन लाइक उस दिन से क्या हुआ कि मेरा पेट बिगड़ गया. तो लाइक मैं जाना तो है
right, right.
मतलब पूरे दिन में कुछ मैं ऐसे ऐसे चल रहा हूँ. सो प्रणीत इज लाइक हमारा कुछ ऐसा है नहीं. प्रणीत इज लाइक ऐसा वो मेरे को ऐसे संभाल रहा है. तो वो वाला पता नहीं अर्पण ने शायद खींचा, नहीं अर्पण आगे पता नहीं किसने खींचा था, किसी ने फोटो खींचा था. तो on the bottom right, on the top right, it is the meeting we had with Mozilla people. We also celebrated Pratik's birthday.
Yeah.
फिर जो ऊपर जो खाने का सीन है वो फ्लटर बूट कैंप का है. तो वो लाइक फोटो खींचा था. एंड लाइक वो इसलिए खींचा था कि ट्विटर पे कुछ हमने ऐसा छोटा कंपटीशन लगा था कि जिसके सबसे ज्यादा ट्विटर पे रीच होगी उसको कुछ मिलेगा, ऐसा कुछ तो था. तो उसके लिए सब ऐसा जो भी खाना है सब फोटो खींच रहे, लाइक सब फ्लटर बूट कैंप में जो भी रहे सब फोटो खींच रहे.
Exactly.
And then, ये Mona is again, it is again Flutter Bootcamp, and everyone saw Mona like for the first time, and everyone like quite excited. Like Mona is like a pet now. Everyone like just be
Exactly.
निकलती है
Whenever
Mona,
Ayush,
everyone is excited.
whenever Ayush brings Mona, everyone gets really so, oh, that's so cute, that's so adorable, and सब लोग फोटो खींचना चालू कर देते हैं. तो जो पप्पी जैसा होता
I
है वैसा.
remember her sharing one photo of Mona.
Exactly. सब लोग फोटो खींच रहे हैं.
Right. It was fun. Yeah. Then like जो bottom left में जो है swags, it is like 1% of the swags present. Those were the last swags present जो किसी को नहीं चाहिए थे because सबने already वो वाले ले लिए थे और बहुत सारे थे ये वाले.
हमने चिपका दिए क्या कॉलेज प्रॉपर्टी में.
नहीं ये एक्चुअली उधर का है, रिएक्ट का जो ये वाला मीटअप है ना, रिएक्ट वाला उसका ही है, उधर का ही है.
अच्छा.
हाँ ये उठाया था हाँ ये मैंने उठाया था मोस्ट फेस्ट से, तो ये बहुत सारे पड़े.
Yeah. सही. So yeah, I mean, I guess that's kind of it.
That community for you.
Yeah. So make memories, make friends. I mean, whenever someone asks me about, I'm glad that it's not.
And to be honest, it's not about like I forgot. थोड़ा अलग फोटो है वो. प्रॉब्लम वो है नहीं तो पब्लिक में नहीं दिखा सकते. प्रॉब्लम वो है तो पढ़ा है मेरे पास नहीं दिखा सकते.
It's kind of like funny, like kind of stuff.
Yes.
But yeah, whenever someone asks me about community and what community is about, and my first answer always is that it's about people you meet, and it's about the fun you have in community. Like secondary goal same होता है सबका. I mean not exactly सबका, but a community का kind of like goal is same. Like Mozilla has privacy and open internet and stuff like that. But people around you are they are humans. You can always make friends with them. You can always network with them. We can always help them out, they can always help you out.
Right.
So yeah,
So like, uh,
Devansh,
yeah,
you wanna share?
most fest. Okay. Like most fest was the most spontaneous thing that had happened in my life, and one of the best. Like it is the best thing that has happened to me in my entire lifetime. Right. So like I would like to quote one thing that uh, once upon a time in an ordinary life, life gives you a fairy tale. And Most Fest was that fairy tale for me because I still remember we were in Yo Frankie in Vadodara. Pranchu had just touched Vadodara from Surat and he was like, देखो भाई मैं वडोदरा आया हूँ 7 बजे यो फ्रैंकी में मेरे जिसको आना है आ जाओ नहीं आना है मेरे को नहीं पता ये सीएफपी की बात हो रही है अभी मेरे को पता नहीं सीएफपी क्या है और आई एम समवन जैसे प्रांशु भाई को देखे या फिर हर्ष को देखे किसी को भी देखे मैं जा रहा हूँ कुछ भी हो जाए एंड मेरे पास व्हीकल नहीं था तो मैंने ऐसा मेरा फ्रेंड है निहाल सो मैंने निहाल को बोला चल के जाते हैं अपन तो बोले भाई मैं बिजी हूँ मैं बिजी हूँ भाई तू कुछ भी कर मेरे को उधर पहुंचे दे तू फिर चला जा मैं बोलता, ऐसा थोड़ी ना तो चल तो वी वेंट एंड देन प्रांशु भाई टॉकिंग अबाउट सम मोस्ट कुछ सीएफपी की बात कर रहे थे रिमेंबर्स उनका कोई आइडिया दिखा रहे थे कि ये देखो मेरा ये टॉक है लाइक ये टॉपिक है प्रांशु भाई थे कि हाँ अच्छा है बट इसमें तो ये कर सकते हैं लाइक क्या बोल रहे हो ये लोग एंड देन इट वाज नॉट मेंस रूम वो बार में ऊपर था मेंस रूम में अलग कोड था मेरे को याद है इट वाज अबाउट सम ट्रैवल वाला so like Pranju was basically discussing about Pranju bhai had been to Mosfest earlier that year उसके पहले 2018 में जा चुके थे so he kind of had an idea कि कैसे अच्छा CFP लिख सकते हैं now what is CFP अगर like बड़े बड़े टेक इवेंट्स में और फिर टेक फेस्टिवल्स में not even tech like normal festivals में they have call for proposals so what they do is they roll out a form and उधर you have to submit your talk now talk में होता है कि your title your डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ योर टाइटल एंड समरी ऑफ योर टाइटल के छोटे लाइन में सब छोटे लाइक छोटे सेंटेंस में सब समझाओ कि तुम्हारा टॉक क्या होगा राइट तो लाइक प्रांशु हैड एन एक्सपीरियंस विद दैट तो प्रांशु वाज हेल्पिंग पीपल आउट कि तुम लोग ऐसे पढ़ सकते हो वैसे पढ़ सकते हो दिस इज योर आइडिया व्हिच इज रियली गुड इसको तो ऐसे रिफॉर्म कर एंड ऐसे फिल कर तो वो सब सब था एंड तो ऐसा आई डिड नॉट नो मच तो मैंने प्रांशु भाई को पूछा कि ये क्या है प्रांशु भाई इज लाइक अभी लेट्स डिस्कस सीएफपी एंड जस्ट सुन ले एंड देन हर्ष विल एक्सप्लेन यू मैं बोला, ठीक है एंड देन वो सब हुआ देन हर्ष ने मेरे को समझाया कि मोज़िला फेस्टिवल क्या होता है तो मोज़िला फेस्टिवल इज एन एनुअल इवेंट व्हिच हैपेंस इन लंदन लाइक 2019 तक लंदन में हो रहा था अब हो लाइक अब they have shifted to Amsterdam but in 2020 because of this pandemic it is happening online तो ये सब है तो तो फिर लाइक हर्ष ने बोला कि हाँ ऐसा ऐसा मुझे लगा तू सबमिट कट दे टॉक एंड एवरीथिंग एंड देन एक्चुअली व्हाट हैपेंड वाज निहाल showed me a post in Instagram कि ये देख ऐसा कुछ है मस्त है नहीं आई सॉ एन ब्रोकन पीस ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर एंड उधर कुछ था लाइक देयर वाज एन ड्राइंग जो कंप्लीट कर रहा था उसको आई गॉट एन आइडिया कि हाँ ये कर सकते हैं एंड देन मैंने प्रांशु भाई को पूछा कि ये कर सकते हैं लाइक यस यू कैन डू दिस एंड उसके बाद सेम जो प्रोसेस था जो फ्रैंकी में एंड प्रांशु भाई वाज काइंड ऑफ फीडबैक दे रहे थे कि हर एक उस पे इटरेशन पे कि एब्स्ट्रैक्ट में ये चेंज कर दे ये वर्ड चेंज कर दे ये लेटर चेंज कर दे ऐसा सब तो ही वाज देयर ऑन एवरी स्टेप तो ये सब हुआ एंड देन आफ्टर दैट टर्न्स आउट कि कट टू 23rd of I don't know which 23rd of August yes 23rd of August 9:30 in the night मेरे को हर्ष ने टास्क दे दिया था फ्लटर का कि भाई तू फ्लटर में ये एपीआई कॉल कर मैं बोला मेरे से नहीं होता है भाई ऐसा तो मैंने तो कर तो मैंने कर दिया लाइक कर रहा था लाइक एक एपीआई कॉल करने को मेरे को 3-4 घंटे लग गए तो किया एंड देन ऐसा मैं आई वाज फ्रस्ट्रेटेड कि क्या करना है एंड देन जब खत्म हो गया एंड देन उसके बाद मैंने मोबाइल टच किया एंड देयर वाज दिस ईमेल कि कांग्रेचुलेशंस ऐसा ऐसा हो गया ऐसा सीएफपी एक्सेप्ट हो गया एंड दैट वाज लाइक द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल मेमोरी आई हैव एंड उसके बाद तो मतलब लंदन पहुंचे हम लोग सॉरी शायना आई हैव टू से दिस बट हम लोग लंदन पहुंचे उधर जो मजे किए हम लोग ने लाइक वी लाइक 4-5 दिन थे बट हम लोग घूमे, like we had a lot of fun. ठीक है, we had a lot of fun. We were roaming around. And then event था, तो we were talking with people, and in Mozilla festival people are so open, like लोग सामने से भी आते हैं बात करने, ठीक है, तो people come सामने से कि hello how are you, क्या कर रहे हो तुम, इधर क्यों आए, क्या motive क्या, and everything. The people talk very nicely. You can also reach out to them, and it was amazing. You know, people are so friendly over there. We met a Mehta over there too.
What?
That's a completely different experience. That was a complete different Mehta we have met.
What? Acha, right.
Yeah,
Right, right. Okay.
yeah. So there was like people, and but talking about that, how my talk went, it was not that great because since it was my first international talk, so I didn't know how to connect with international audience, right? Because my core research was related to architecture in इधर कि कौन सा वाला महाराजा साहेब यूनिवर्सिटी एमएसयू, तो वो था. पीपल कैन नॉट रिलेट ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज यूरोप के लोग हैं, कि किधर पता चलेगा कि ऐसा एमएसयू जैसा कुछ है. तो दैट वाज समथिंग आई मिस्ड आउट ऑन. देन प्रांशु भाई ने बोला कि नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हाट यू डू इज एक्सप्लेन, या तो फिर एक्सप्लेन कर दे कोर में कि व्हाट इज दैट आर्किटेक्चर, व्हाट इज दैट थिंग, और कनेक्ट विद देम पर्सनली कि तुम्हारे कंट्री में क्या है एंड एवरीथिंग. सो दैट इज हाउ यू कुड कनेक्ट. So anything in particular you learned and observed in a festival, right? About I learned a lot of things that first की talking about a community thing, that उधर ना लोग swacks के पीछे नहीं भागते इतना. And I don't know I should say this or not, but I've seen in India that people kind of run, not even India, I've seen it in a lot of places कि many communities like run after swags, and we have never endorsed that, but नो इट हैपेंस कि लोग स्वैग्स के पीछे ज्यादा भागते हैं, उधर ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. सो दैट इज वन थिंग आई रियलाइज कि हाँ, स्वैग्स आर जस्ट एन एडेड काइंड ऑफ बेनिफिट. दे आर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री, दे आर गुड टू हैव, बट दे आर नॉट समथिंग यू शुड फोकस ऑन. एंड देन सेकंड आई लर्नड कि when you are presenting yourself when you are presenting yourself in front of an audience, how important it is to have the core knowledge of it. So what happened to me was, although my research was kind of fairly segregated, it was fairly polarized, but I was not able to reflect it since I was new to speaking, since I was new to everything. So I could not really, resonate, and I could not really spread I could not really share what I had because of that. I didn't know how to do it. So since it was like, to anyone who is like kind of new to speaking and international speaking, just try to look how, just try to empathize कि वो लोग को क्या अच्छा लगता होगा, and how would they understand things basically. उनके दिमाग, उनका perception क्या है, and how can you make them understand. That is one thing I would like to take, because I was not able to do that. That is one thing. International audience is like, it is like very like what vast complimented over there. There are ones who are like very ओपन, बहुत अच्छे से इंटरेक्ट करते हैं, सेशन के बीच में हाथ उठा के क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे. एंड देयर इज द वन हु हैव लाइक ऑल द टाइम हैव पोकर फेस. अच्छा लग रहा है नहीं लग रहा है उनका, ऐसा ऐसा ही होगा. तो उनको देख के तुम लोग का ऐसा भी, भाई तेरे को समझ में आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है मेरे को बोल. दैट इज लाइक ऑल काइंड ऑफ फूड इन अ प्लेट. एंड उसके बाद ये सब, दैट इज ऑल आई हैव फॉर नाउ. दैट इज ऑल आई कैन रिमेम्बर. बाकी का जैसे जैसे याद आएगा ऐसा नेक्स्ट टॉक में बोल रहेंगे.
Nice.
तो लाइक प्रांशु भाई ने डाला है मोजिला फेस्टिवल का लिंक, शाना ने डाला है मोजिला फेस्टिवल का लिंक, दोनों ने डाला है. तो देख लो क्या है मोजिला फेस्टिवल. एंड CFP इज ओपन इन अक्टूबर 2020. प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज, जिसको समझ में आया नहीं आया, अगर नहीं आया हो तो अगर जानना हो ज्यादा तो किसी को भी इधर से पूछ लो, मेरे को, हर्ष को, प्रांशु भाई को, हर्षल को.
Like even like मोजेनो के डिस्कॉर्ड पे डाल दो. like, अगर हम लोग मैसेज नहीं देखेंगे तो हम लोग आ जाएंगे.
मोजिला के डिस्कॉर्ड पे डाल दो. अगर मसला गुजरात पे तो उधर डाल दो. जस्ट आस्क, अगर कुछ भी हो रहा है, अगर CFP डालना है तो बस कुछ भी लाइक ज्यादा जानना भी है तो बस जस्ट आस्क. अगर नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो एंड विजिट दिस वेबसाइट.
Yeah.
That is all I have.
Yeah, and I guess that's all I have as well. And I would just like to like quote one thing from one of my favorite rappers, and his Logic, by the way. And there is one quote from his song. I mean, from his rap, I guess, from his verse. I don't know. I don't know what to call it. But he says that you know, it was something like when people start thinking about themselves and they're like, I want to do this, but, or I can, but, or I wish I could, or I cannot, or I don't think that I should. I want to do it, but I'm not sure. And if you're thinking of all of this, then you've already lost the battle right there. And
Yeah.
that's what I think that Pranshu Bhai pushed me to do as well. And there have been a lot of instances where Pranshu Bhai has had given me like a task or something, and I would be like, you know, I don't. I mean, if you, I mean, I would be like, I'm not sure if I can do this, or I'm not sure if I'll be able to, and stuff like that. मैं खुद भी बाहर नहीं बनाने का ट्राई कर रहा हूँ उधर प्रांशु भाई मेरे को बोल रहे हैं अच्छा ठीक है तेरे से नहीं होगा तू रहने दे. It was
Or
as if
that dialogue
I
hits
could
you so hard.
I could hear his disappointment and I would be like नहीं करता हूँ मैं करता
हाँ,
हूँ.
कर रहा हूँ मैं, ओके कर रहा हूँ मैं.
And I was able to do it in the end. So it's kind of like, if you think about, you won't be able to do it, or if you think that, you had some bahanas ready for you, then you've already lost.
Yeah,
That's all I have to say.
nice.
So just
मैं
go do it.
ये
Anyways, yeah. I guess this is it for our talk. I hope you had fun. I had a lot of fun. I think that was my favorite talk that I've given yet. I don't know about Devansh, but I think that this is my
I
favorite
mean,
talk.
yeah, same. It is like, uh,
I can't rap. I can't.
I
अरे
don't
अरे
know.
सर एक बार ट्राई
No, sorry.
Right.
This is
अरे come on
seriously,
man.
ये तो मेरे नहीं तो. You cannot push me into this. I don't want to rap. You cannot push me into this. I don't want to rap. No, don't push me. And by the way, I'll be back in just a minute. So yeah, I mean, if you want to talk with each other, I'll be back in a moment.
All right. Until then, I want to speak for a minute that I would like to thank Devansh and Harsh for mentoring me. Like एकदम मतलब कुछ भी गलत जा रहा है वो गाइड कर रहा है मतलब एवरी सिंगल थिंग जो भी है मुंह पे बोल देता. एंड ऑल्सो मोजिनी की बात जा रही थी तो हर एक पॉइंट पे गाइड किया. और ऑल्सो आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक्स निमित एज वेल एज जानवी. They joined later, but they helped us Mozenevi immensely. And also Vinith designs like OP designs करता है बंदा. And Devansh क्या ही बताऊँ बस और तो कुछ नहीं.
Yeah, I'll be back in a moment.
ओ तो इधर ही था. सही है. All right, you can unmute yourself and you can ask questions or want to
Okay, so like, wait, now it is kind of a session. Session से ज़्यादा call हो गया है.
Yeah.
If you have any questions regarding literally anything, chat पे लिख दो या फिर mute like mic बंद करके पूछ लो. Yash is the OP, I guess. Like, when like recently we had this silly hacks, we organized silly hacks, and
Yeah.
यश का सीन ये है कि he is present everywhere and कुछ भी अगर प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है ना somehow this guy will solve it somehow. ठीक है. I don't know how he does this, but Yash is present everywhere and like he responds like in a split, and that guy is present. I guess Herschel has had a great experience with Yash, so maybe he would like to say something. I don't know. Yeah.
Okay, am I audible?
Okay.
You are audible.
The question, like, it was addressed to me, right?
Yeah, so like since we organized,
Silly
actually, you said that Yash was someone who helped us out a lot.
Yeah.
We also had great experience.
Yeah. So since we are talking about community, let's talk it in that perspective. So Chili Hex, the idea of Chili Hex came to me, and we started working on this, And Yash was kind of involved, but he was not too much involved initially. But I started giving. So I was kind of working with the websites. I was struggling with the sponsors as well, and I was kind of doing a lot of things at the same time. So I kind of, just asked Yash, hey, can you help me with the website? So Yash was like, yeah, sure. And he took the website from me, like literally. Now I don't uh, look at the website, right? So if I just want to, make any kind of changes, I just ask Yash to do it, and it's already done. That's how amazing this guy is. And he also, came up with a lot of ideas for our Discord. Honestly, I am someone who does not know anything about Discord. I can say that. And Yash and Harsh together, they set up everything for the Discord. And like, I really didn't knew like Discord has so many features. I just, thought it was just a platform to chat. But these guys made it possible. And yeah, that's how amazing these folks are.
No.
So yeah, I'm back, I guess. Does anyone have any question?
Hi,
Open
Devansh.
your camera. You had to open in the event, not right now.
True.
I couldn't see myself, so I don't know. I'm kind of like self-obsessed, so I couldn't. Hey, Fanil, what's up?
Hi, Devansh, Harsh, Fanil,
Hi, Aman Ali.
Aman bro.
Sure.
I was saying that अगर मेरे को वेब डेवलपमेंट या मतलब वेब डेवलपमेंट रिलेटेड कोई अपकमिंग इवेंट्स हो तो
देखो, इसमें ना मैं बोल सकता हूँ कुछ, ना हर्ष बोल सकता है कुछ।
अरे नहीं, it's
जस्ट
not like
तेरे को
that.
क्या बोलना है?
Look. Are you in the Mozilla Gujarat के WhatsApp पे है क्या तू?
I guess है वो.
Okay, so whenever you see like, okay, so first of all, कि कोई भी take part in hackathons, and
Yeah.
hackathons are a place where people around you push you. I mean, like hackathon में environment ही ऐसा होता है कि आपको काम करने का मन ही कर देता है. ऐसा है, आपके अराउंड लोग काम करते हैं, आपको नहीं काम करना फिर भी आप कर ही देते हो.
अच्छा एक मिनट होल्ड करना हर्ष. अभी लास्ट जानवी ने हैकाथॉन में पार्ट लिया था एंड शी वन द हैकाथॉन. सो व्हाट वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस, लाइक शेयर करना चाहोगे?
Congratulations, by the way, Janvi.
या
Okay, that was my first. That was literally the second hackathon I took part in. Okay, मैंने उससे पहले सिर्फ एक ही बार hackathon experience में रही हूँ, and like I was ecstatic. I couldn't believe that I won because just my idea was just a normal idea. हम लोगों ने like ये थर्ड हैकाथॉन अभी भी आई एम एक्चुअली हेल्पिंग फर्स्ट इयर्स में जो अपने जूनियर्स है ना उनको टू कंप्लीट द हैकाथॉन व्हिच इज गोइंग ऑन राइट नाउ एंड अभी दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम वेयर एंडिंग में सब इतना हेक्टिक नहीं है. बाकी सिली हैक्स में आई सबमिटेड द डेमो एट like literally 12 p.m. It was on dot and like I was like, एक second और हो जाता ना, I wouldn't have won.
Cool.
Yeah, so it was a great experience. The mentors, Harshil, everyone who helped me, and like solved my doubts and everything. It was really well organized and well planned. Yeah, so thank you actually.
And Aman, coming back to your question, इधर
Yeah.
already कुछ लोग हैं जो लोग already थोड़े बहुत like they are good web developers. First of all, Harshil and यश भी काफी अच्छा web developer है, and I'm not
Yeah.
sure if Tom is here or not. So I mean, they might know about a few events. For example, I feel like React India is one of the events. I feel like
React, yeah.
So React India एक आ रहा है. And I think that Yash and Harshil might be able to help you out more. And if you feel like that's not enough, go ahead to like Mozilla Gujarat के उसके WhatsApp पे जाओ और क्वेश्चन लिखो कि like अगर मुझे क्या बोलते हैं like web developers का कोई कॉन्फ्रेंस ऐसा कुछ हो, so what are the places where I can find these conferences? तो लोग कुछ ना कुछ तो कोई ना कुछ तो hopefully बोल ही देगा.
Yeah.
ऑल्सो हाँ ऑल्सो एक अभी अनाउंसमेंट की नहीं है बट या वी आर प्लानिंग अप फॉर मोजेनिबी वेबसाइट सो इवन यू कैन contribute there as well so
Sure.
Yeah,
yup,
actually,
yup,
yeah. That's a great idea, actually.
yup.
It will be a great honor, actually.
It will be our honor to
Yeah,
have you.
yeah. All right. Do anyone have more questions or want to, say something about your story or something about your experience?
Yeah.
The stage is yours.
Okay, Yash says that there are a ton of web dev comps around the corner. Oops.
Winter, if that's a jam.
In winter. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, if anyone wants to talk, please go ahead. And I feel like I was supposed to have a meeting at around 6:30, but
Sidekick.
wait, it's actually a mentorship call, so I need to talk to mentee. So if my mentee is ready, then I might have to, run. Unfortunately, but we can connect on Discord.
Yup.
Yeah, we forgot to
Because
add our social links or something. Devansh and I.
I did,
Just
check.
share social media and like if
Yeah.
they want to connect.
I'm sending
Yeah,
my
sure.
ID right now, and if you probably Google this, you'll find my social media channels everywhere, so we can connect.
The whole 2 pages of Google.
Yeah, I mean, just Google my ID and connect me on Twitter, on Discord, I guess. On Discord, you can find me on the channel. I mean, on
Yeah.
the
Was
Mozilla.
anyway. Yeah.
So yeah,
All right. I guess I should leave because I also have work.
All right.
yeah.
So yeah, ending the meetup here. Thank you for joining.
Yeah, I mean, if you wanna talk, please. If you wanna talk,
Yeah,
please.
yeah. Yep. Sure.
It was a networking. This was a networking session. The entire thing was like a networking session. So if you wanna
Yeah.
network, if you wanna talk to each other, please.
Wait, I am the host. I'm supposed to end this. Hold on.
I'm the host.
Not the meeting host. The
Oh. Oh,
yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, so looks like that's it for today. If you missed anything or want to revisit this amazing conversation, I'm so inspired, honestly. But yeah, if you want to revisit this, the session's going to be posted on our YouTube channel soon. If you
Yep.
want to collaborate with Moz Anyway, you need our help or anything, literally, you just want to network, you join our Discord server. Some of us are always online. So yeah, the meeting is officially over. You can sit in network or you can leave the meeting as you want.
Yep.
See you next time.
Bye.
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 Ta-da. I'm here.
Yeah, of course you're here.
Oh. All right, Kalp. Yash.